Nestled amidst the scenic landscapes of Madurai, in India, is TVS Sri Chakra, makers of Eurogrip, a name synonymous with excellence in the tire industry. Part of the $3 billion TVS Mobility Group, Eurogrip is today India's leading motorcycle, three-wheeler and off-highway tire manufacturer, and a formidable player in the domestic and global markets. The magic happens at the state-of-the-art plants in Madurai, Tamil Nadu, and Rudrapur, Uttarakhand, sprawling over a staggering 300,000 square meters. These manufacturing facilities have the capacity to roll out 34 million tires annually to meet the increasing demand worldwide. Driving the advancement of tire technology is the Global Design Center located in Milan, Italy. The Madurai Research and Development Facility, in collaboration with the Global Design Center, helps design tires that meet extraordinary engineering precision. At Eurogrip, the commitment to quality is paramount, resulting in the brand garnering prestigious awards and certifications. The tires are engineered by adhering to manufacturing practices like TPM, TQM, Lean, Six Sigma, and Zero Defect Initiative. The tires are also meticulously tested as per Indian and international standards and accredited with global certifications. The commitment to create a safe and clean environment takes utmost importance. Integration of 75% renewable energy sources and the complete elimination of effluent discharge from the facility are significant milestones in the journey toward sustainability. Over the decades, the company has been a trusted partner for India's most popular two-wheeler brands, making it amongst India's largest OEM partners in the segment. The brand's relentless desire to cater to the ever-dynamic needs of the customer has resulted in the creation of a wide range of over 100,000 globally tested and certified products. From underbones and scooters to motorcycles and cruisers, from three-wheelers and small commercial vehicles to off-highway applications, Eurogrip caters to most mobility needs with products for every segment. A pioneer in the steel belt radial technology in India, Eurogrip has the most prolific range of high-performance motorcycle radial tires. The brand is at the forefront of innovation as the first mover in the realm of electric motorcycle tires in India. The company serves beyond the Indian market and is available in over 85 countries and has a robust global distribution network of over 380 distributors. The brand fosters growth with digitally automated channels in distribution systems that are designed to enhance customer experience. Eurogrip tires are consistently put to test across the globe by expert riders from Japan and Europe. In the world of adrenaline and speed, where every second counts, Eurogrip reigns supreme on the racetrack. Through brand properties like brunch and biking, Eurogrip engages with motorcycle riders across the country. Biking enthusiasts come together to celebrate the joy of riding, while also raising awareness about important social causes. In a fast-evolving world, there is a growing demand for companies that are catalysts to progress, embracing innovation and technology. Eurogrip. Designed in Europe, manufactured in India, tested and sold worldwide.